We're going to be replacing the lower control arm on this Dodge Stratus, and we're going to be teaching Joe how to do it. Got the lower control arm off here. I guess the hardest part was, for some reason, that thing was pretty difficult, but nevertheless, we still got our ball joint. What's left of it, it's still you know, in that knuckle or whatever, so we need to figure out a way how to get this out, and probably end up pulling off the CV axle and just pounding it out, and then, you know, sliding the new one on. So alright, so we end up having to, I'm going to end up trying to, I guess, just push this CV axle out. That way I can get to this ball joint, because I didn't really want to grind off. So we're just going to proceed to try to get that out and, you know, try to get the rest in. So kind of in a time pinch here. We're in Michigan, and it gets dark around 5 o'clock, and it's about 4:30. And I got to drive this home tonight, so there's some pressure, but we're going to get her done. So, and we're going to get a good video of it. So. Nice! Have no idea why I did not just take this off in the first place. That came out super easy. So yeah, that's the last thing we need to do for taking everything off. Now we're just gonna throw the new one in. I'm gonna pray that it goes smooth. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so we got the A-arm in here. Now this next part is going to be extremely difficult. I've already been fussing with it. But down there, when you get the bolt through there, thread that in. Get under here and get that one threaded. It has a nut on top. So that's going to be pretty challenging. When you get the CV axle slid back in, and I guess just we need to secure this ball joint down here. Yeah. Alright guys, this is a finished product, I think. I hope I didn't forget anything. But yeah, it was pretty challenging, but it's just one of those things, you just gotta be patient with it and you know, just find a solution to the next problem. So this is what I got in the mail for the project. It was actually just shy of $120, and I got a, you know, lower control arm and upper control arm for each side, you know, Pitman arms, and that's about it. And then steering stabilizer linkages. So not bad. Detroit axle, if you're wondering who it came from. So what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna put the tire on, you know, and hopefully she rides okay. So. All right, you want to close that door?
Back up.
Okay. All right, first test drive in the old Stratus.
Dude, you gotta like go over pretty big.
He's got a beat on her for the first round. Is it all good?
What's that down there?
Oh, it's just a muffler.
Oh, all right.
She's built. Oh, it does that when it's cold. Okay. Yeah, she's a problem car, but you know, she gets you from A to B. You know, it's just one of those deals where you just gotta
C,
just gotta send
C
it.
to E.
Probably should just send it, you know, just to make sure that
Send it right to the snow. Like.